In a small room with cracked walls and a second-hand laptop, Ramesh, a self-taught analyst from Pokhara, dreamed of something more. He wasn't from a fancy city. He didn't have a master's degree, but he had one powerful tool, Power BI. At first, he only built reports for practice, sales data, sample KPIs, demo dashboards. But then he had an epiphany. He took one of his dashboards just for fun and posted it on LinkedIn. The next day, a stranger messaged him, "Hey, can you make something like this for my small business?" That one message changed everything. Ramesh built the dashboard in days. It was clean, visual, mobile-friendly with slicers, filters, and automatic monthly updates. The client paid him $75. It felt like $1 million, so he doubled down. He learned to build dashboards that clients actually want, not just fancy charts, but tools that solve real problems. And over time, he built 5 amazing dashboard templates. Number 1. Sales performance dashboards, daily, monthly, and YTD sales, top products, regions, and reps. Dynamic filters by product, time, and territory. Clients love tracking what's working and what's not. That's number 1. Number 2. Inventory and stock dashboards, real-time inventory levels, reorder alerts. Fast-moving versus slow-moving items. Perfect for e-commerce or retail clients. Number 3. HR dashboards, employee headcount, attrition rate, department-wise distribution. HR consultants and managers always need visuals like these. Number 4. Financial dashboards, profit and loss, monthly trends, budget versus actual. These are the ones that accounting firms and CFOs use every week. And no 5. Client overview dashboards, agency use, marketing metrics, campaign ROI, Google Ads, Facebook integration. These are the ones that freelancers and digital marketers love. Now Ramesh builds 3 to 4 dashboards a month. Each one earns him between $100 and $300 depending on complexity. He works part-time, helps his family, and teaches others on weekends. He says, "It's not about being the best designer, it's about building dashboards that help people make better decisions." So if you know Power BI or want to learn, start building, start sharing, start earning, because the dashboards you're building today could be the ones that pay your rent tomorrow.